Today, I will share with you 3 features that make this credit card beginner-friendly, practical, and solid financial tool for everyday life. Hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Well, sa mga bago dito sa ating YouTube channel, I talk about smart spending, personal finance, and credit cards here in the Philippines. Today's focus is the PS Bank Credit Mastercard. A lot of first-time card users are asking, is this card a smart starting point? So as we go through in our content for today, malalaman natin kung anong meron si PS Bank Credit Mastercard. Today, I will share with you 3 features that make this credit card beginner-friendly, practical, and solid financial tool for everyday life. Then at the end, I'll tell you if this card fits you based on your lifestyle. Kaya, tune in na! Alright, let's get into it. Feature number 1, no annual fee for life. Ito yung PS Bank Credit Masters Superstar Benefit. Many credit cards in the Philippines offer no annual fee for the first year only. Pero after that, magbabayad ka na ng annual fee for the succeeding years. Some cards even cost 3,000 pesos, meron pa nga yung 6,000 pesos AF yearly. Come to think of it, parang magbabayad ka ng ganong kamahal para lang magka-credit card ka. So since CPS Bank credit card ay walang annual fee, malaki ang savings mo yearly. And take note of this, no pressure in canceling your credit card just in case hindi mo naman kasi siya nagagamit. So if you want to cancel the credit card, no pressure. Madali lang yon sa kanila. This is the kind of a credit card na okay sa mga newbie or sa mga beginners. Yung mga gusto lang gumamit ng credit card kapag may emergency. Yung mga credit card holders na ang purpose lang ay small spending or simple spending. And doon sa mga nagsisimula pa lamang, matutong mag-manage ng kanilang payments through credit cards, this is the kind of credit card for you. Alam nyo ba na financial freedom starts from low maintaining tool? At ang PS Bank Credit Mastercard, chinecheck niya ang aspect na yan. Okay, let us proceed with feature number 2, safe and convenient payments. Nowadays, security is everything. Kailangan siguraduhin natin na safe tayo sa ating mga credit cards, especially in our spending. Well, this credit card uses EMV chip technology that will help you and protect you from fraud and skimming. Kaya, safe ka sa credit card na to. Ito din ay may contactless payment, tap-to-pay technology. Yan na ngayon ang usong-uso, yung tap-to-pay. And so amazing that this kind of credit card has it. Kaya, naging madali na lang yung pagbabayad natin sa stores and maybe even in restaurants. Plus, eto yung credit card ng ibig sabihin ay it works worldwide. Great for online shopping, even in foreign websites. You can bring it if you travel abroad. Imagine buying online like groceries, medicines, or even just a milk tea. This card keeps every transaction safe and easy. You get real peace of mind while spending safely. Feature number 3, flexible payment options. Well, a part of life is yung may biglaang gastos, hindi mo inaakala, may emergency, it happens. Not all the time, but it happens. O kaya, yung cases or instances na kailangan mong mag-purchase ng gadget para sa pag-aaral ng mga anak or para magamit mo sa trabaho mo, well, PS Bank gives you the flexibility sa pamamagitan ng zero installment promos in partner stores, ability to convert big purchases into monthly installments, meaning instead of paying 20,000 cold cash para ma-purchase mo or mabili mo yung gadget na yan, you can divide it into smaller, budget-friendly installments. It helps beginners build financial discipline. Napaka-importante yung financial discipline. You still get what you need, but without destroying your monthly budget. That's the main point. At gusto nating lahat yan. Now, let's go to the final verdict. Ang credit card ba na ito ay para sa'yo? That's the main question. Bagay kaya sa'yo at sa lifestyle mo? That's the question. This card is perfect for first-time credit card users, workers with steady income, practical shoppers, people who doesn't want yearly charges kasi nga no annual fee for life. Those who want a backup, eto yon, PS Bank Credit Mastercard. Pero eto naman, siguro ang credit card na to ay hindi okay doon sa mga frequent nagda-travel abroad, point collectors, or miles hunters. Kasi hindi nag-o-offer ang card na to ng miles and points. Big spenders who target premium perks. So there, I gave you two sides. So you decide kung gusto nyo talaga ito or hindi. Kung ikaw ay kasali doon sa first set of conclusion that I've given you, then this credit card is for you. Pero kung ikaw naman ay kasali doon sa set B of my conclusion, then this credit card is not for you. So doon sa mga nag-agree dito sa credit card na to, this is a fresh start. A new start as a beginner or as a newbie in credit card journey. Pang beginner lang ito. Pero syempre, if your income grows and lifestyle changes, you can always upgrade. Basta lang, panindigan mo ang magandang pagmamanage mo sa credit card na to. Dapat maganda ang payment at maganda rin ang credit score. And eventually, the bank will easily increase your credit limit or maybe offer you another credit card. Alright, so there you go. Natapos na po tayo sa content natin for today. If you think na nakatulong itong video na to sa inyo, bigyan mo naman ako ng thumbs up. And please, mag-subscribe ka naman dito sa ating YouTube channel. And always tap the notification bell para palagi kang notified kapag meron tayong bagong video. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And remember, as what I always say, kahit anong klaseng problema meron ka sa buhay, remember that life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!